issue we're having today is the windshield wipers. The intermittent wipers don't work. The intermittent wipers on this is just it's a simple. Here, I'll flip you around and let you see. Okay, the intermittent wipers on this, like I was saying, is very simple. You have where it has like a 1 second delay. You pull it down one time, 1 second delay, low and high. The delay doesn't work, and let's see here if I can show you what it's doing. Click it down one time, we get nothing. All right, click it down one more, low. Click it down one more, we get high. Now the problem is I mean, that wouldn't be so bad, but let's say you go to turn this off and you turn it off and it stops, you know, mid-wipe. So you have to really kind of finagle it and play with it. So what I've done already is I pulled the wiper amplifier out, and that is behind the glove box over here on the left-hand side. In the kick panel. I put the amplifier back in, just plugged it back in so I can demonstrate what the wipers are doing. I pulled the amplifier out, went through the test, downloaded an actual manual from Nissan for it. There's a place online that you can download these. You have to register with them, and you can download like 2 different manuals a day for free. I'll put that link below in the description, and maybe that'll help some of you guys out on these older cars, especially with what we've got going on in this gas crunch. We're doing whatever we can, but we're gonna pull this out. Those things are like $90. I don't want to spend $90, so I think I know what's wrong with it, but we're gonna you know, took it out of the case. I'll show you the case and everything that it's in, but we'll take a look at it and we'll see what's going on. Alright, so right here is actually what it looks like assembled. You can see what the Nissan part number is on this 28510-1M200 amplifier assembly. Like I said, it mounted in that corner with like one 10mm bolt. This is the way it is assembled. There's a plastic clip on the top, plastic clip on the bottom. You just spread these 2 pieces here apart. I took like 2 screwdrivers, spread it apart, and then pull this out. And when you pull this out, the whole thing will slide out, and it comes apart just that easy. Now the issue that is going on with this thing is, I don't know if you can really get in depth, but the relay that mounts on this board is a pretty simplistic board, but the relay moves. And what's going on is, if you look at this thing, I don't know if I can get the camera to zoom in or focus enough to, there we go, that's a little better. You can see there's like, see that line around that tab, that solder joint right there? That line is where that solder joint is broken. There and there. These 2 here seem to be fine, but those 2, there's a line around it, which means the solder joint's broken. So basically it's like having a broken connection or a broken wire. It's not making connection there. So we're going to resolder these 2 joints. May put a dab on these 2, and we're going to put it back in and see what happens. Alright, we've let the solder irons get heated up. Sure, probably not going to be a very good shot of actually soldering it, but we're just going to put a little bit of solder on the tip of the soldering iron. We're going to try to heat this board up just a little bit. All right, so we've managed to put a couple dabs of solder on this thing. I am by no means an electronic expert. I'm just a simple dude in the garage who's just trying to save $100. But let's go plug this sucker back in and let's see if this fixed our problem. All right, we're back in the car. I've got it plugged back in down here at the bottom. So let's see if this fixed our issue. All right, let's see. You can see the wipers. One click, up and down, stop. Up and down, stop. Low, high. Back to park, man. She's working like a pro. All right, we're gonna put it back in the case, bolt it back in the car. Right here helped you guys out. Saved me $100. I'm happy with that. I know the wife will be happy with that, but it feels great doing stuff yourself. We got it all back together. It's working. I'm pretty excited. You know, saved me $100. Saved wife $100. And we got functioning windshield wipers. I hope this is able to help some of you guys out. If you would, like, comment, be easy on me on the soldering job. Like I said, I'm just a average Joe in the garage with a soldering iron who gets in more trouble than he does good sometimes. So, if you like it, share it with your friends. If you got any questions, hit me up. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description for the test procedure on it. Hopefully that'll be able to help you out with any other issues you may have with these cars. I'm pretty sure the amplifier works on a whole lot more vehicles than just this Sentra. So if you've got an issue, that would be the first thing I'd check, is if you've got an issue with your delay wipers on these Nissans and it has an amplifier assembly like that, pull that thing out, check those joints. I think it's called a cold sorter joint when that happens. But in my past experiences, I've fixed a lot of things like the odometer reading in Ford F-150 trucks, you know, where they would just go blank and not have a mileage reading in them. You can pull them out. They got the same issue with a cold sorter joint. So those kind of things can be really helpful. Have a great day.